Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by making sure the model is ready. Open the project and save a working copy so changes are reversible. Once done, confirm elements are in the same phase and properly categorized. This ensures accurate counts. Open the view where you will access the schedule tools. Now you're ready for the first actionable step. Go to the View tab and choose Schedules. Do not skip verifying categories because the schedule depends on them. You'll create the schedule by selecting View Schedules Schedule/Quantities and picking the category that matches your elements. Next, add the fields you need. Choose keys like type, count, length, or area. Once fields are in, configure sort/group rules and apply filters so only the intended items appear. Make calculated fields where needed and adjust units and formatting. This controls how data aggregates and displays. Take a quick look at the preview to confirm. You finish by placing the schedule onto a sheet or exporting it to CSV/Excel for documentation. Pick the sheet and drag the schedule view in. If you need changes, click Edit Schedule to tweak fields, filters, and calculations. Reapply sorting and totals as needed. One key troubleshooting tip. If items are missing, immediately check category, model phase, workset, and visibility/graphic overrides. Incorrect settings in any of
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.